Though we think of almonds as nuts, technically they're the seed of the fruit of the almond tree. Nut or seed, this is one high-fat food with serious nutritional firepower. 60% of the fatty acids in almonds are the monounsaturated kind, a healthful fat shown to reduce circulating levels of bad LDL cholesterol. Almonds are also chock full of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that protects against cognitive decline and several cancers. The fiber in almond skins may exert a prebiotic effect and increase the beneficial bacteria in the gut to improve digestion and bolster the immune defense. To keep your calorie intake in check, limit yourself to 1 ounce, about 25 almonds, per serving. Almonds are classified into 2 categories, sweet and bitter, with the former most often sold in stores. Enjoy them as a snack, or toss into granolas, oatmeals, salads, and pilafs. Eating almonds with their skins intact provides more antioxidants. Spread almond butter on hearty whole grain crackers and bread. Almond feta cheese with herb oil. Unbaked, this cheese will be smooth and spreadable. Baking will make it a bit more crumbly, like traditional feta cheese. 1. Place almonds in a medium bowl and cover with 3 inches of cold water. Let soak 24 hours. Drain, rinse almonds under cold running water and drain again. 2. Puree almonds, lemon juice, 3 tablespoons oil, garlic, salt, and ½ cup cold water in a food processor for 6 minutes, or until very smooth and creamy. 3. Place strainer over a bowl and line with triple layer of cheesecloth. Spoon almond mixture into cheesecloth. Bring corners and sides of cloth together, and twist around cheese, forming into a ball and squeezing to extract moisture. Secure with a rubber band. Chill 12 hours, or overnight. Discard excess liquid. 4. Preheat oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Line baking sheet with parchment paper. Unwrap cheese, it will be soft, and transfer from cheesecloth to prepared baking sheet. Flatten to form 6-inch round about 3/4 inch thick. Bake 40 minutes, or until the top is slightly firm. Cool, then chill. Cheese can be made up to this point 2 days ahead. Keep refrigerated. 5. Combine remaining 1/4 cup oil, thyme, and rosemary in a small saucepan. Warm oil over medium-low heat for 2 minutes, or until very hot but not simmering. Cool to room temperature. Drizzle herb oil over cheese just before serving.